Hello! Welcome to All Essays. Reach your academic heights. My name is Julie and I will be your instructor as we read through Same-Sex Marriage Should Not Be Legal. The article's source is embedded in the video description below. Feel free to read along. Please note that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay for as little as $10 a page at All Essays. The link is in the description. The question of the legislation of homosexual marriages becomes more and more burning and needs a deep survey. There are a lot of reasons against same-sex marriages which prove that legalization of same-sex marriages can be harmful and even dangerous for the society. One of the reasons is that homosexual marriages contradict the tradition. The idea of homosexual marriages threats the very idea of the sanctity of the marriage. The term marriage should refer to a loving relationship between man and woman. The institution of marriage considers the union of two adults of different sex living together. For centuries the marriage was considered just between the people of the opposite sex, and by now the marriage of the people of the same sex can be wrong on an evolutionary scale. Coolidge, 1997. People don't have much faith in the marriage institutions now, and the legislation of the heterosexual marriages can weaken this faith. In addition, if the homosexual marriages are legalized to protect the freedom of human life, there should be other restrictions for the marriages, such as marrying the relative or the age of getting married. So-called domino effect can cause the demand to cancel all kinds of restrictions on the marriages. If the marriages between the people of the same sex can be accepted like a demonstration of the free will of the individuals, why cannot be accepted the marriage between the brother and the sister or other close relatives? The next point is a religious disapproval of the heterosexual relationship in general and marriages in particular. The word marriage implies religious significance. People who state against the homosexual marriages claim that homosexuality is against the Christian faith and the Bible, and the legalization of this kind of marriage by the state can make a bigger separation between the state power and the religious organizations. This point can become a stumbling block between the church and the state and bring the contradictions to the minds of people. Legalization of homosexual marriages gives an approval to the homosexual lifestyle, which is not supported by the church. The last but not least argument is the one which deals with one of the human reproduction. The marriage is an institution aiming to create a family first of all, and the family presumes giving birth to children. Homosexual marriage create no opportunities for natural reproduction. Modern science gave people opportunities to have children even in the same-sex marriage, but a number of problems appear. It's commonly known that men and women are equal creatures and have same rights and obligations, but they are not identical and usually presume different models of behavior, models of reactions and thinking. A lot of research made by scientists proves that the child needs both a mother and a father to become a full personality. Orth, 2003. There are some things during the upbringing which can be taken only from women's or only from men's behavior patterns. The children raised in the homosexual families will not have the opportunity to see both female and male behavioral patterns, which can cause serious problems for their future life. In addition, the children raised in a homosexual surrounding are more probably to pick up same lifestyle in the future and to copy the model of homosexual relationship. Another problem the children from the homosexual families can and most probably will come across is an attitude of the surrounding. The children can meet a social hostility from the very beginning of their social interaction due to their family background, which can make more difficult the social adaptation in the future. A lot of homosexual couples meet social and religious disapproval, but they have chosen their type of behavior themselves and must be responsible for their decisions. The children raised in the homosexual families do not have this choice. Negative attitude of the church to same-sex marriages can create additional problems for children. References: Bradley, Gerard v. 2000. Same-sex marriage, our final answer? Notre Dame Journal of Law, Ethics and Public Policy, 14 729-752. Coolidge, David, Oregon. 1997. Same-sex marriage? Bear, v. Meek and the Meaning of Marriage, South Texas Law, Review, 38 1-119. Orth, John v. 2003. Night Thoughts, Reflections on the Debate Concerning Same-Sex Marriage, Nevada Law, Journal, 3 560-571. Schulberg, Neelis and Carrie L. Mitnick. 2004. Same-Sex Marriage, The Evolving Landscape for Employee Benefits, Hofstra and Employment Law Journal, 2265-80. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me. I hope you enjoyed learning about same-sex marriage should not be legal as much as I did. Kindly remember that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay at OWL Essays for as little as $10. The link is in the description. See you next time.